this whole campus, the Penryn campus, is oriented towards research on environment sustainability, and we're in a fantastic place, both in terms of the geography of the place, but also the entrepreneurial culture and a very, very strong understanding between the connection between industry and our kind of beautiful environment. So that's what the business school in Cornwall really represents to me. It's a combination of both kind of environmental and sustainable responsibility, but also a proper understanding of how business can play out in that context.
So through the various research and impact projects that we have, we work with local businesses in Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly and further afield. And a lot of our research is bespoke, so it's based on the challenges that they have within their business and how we can use research to inform their strategies for the future.
Regularly, businesses come in and they've heard in the media lots of negative press around the role that plastic playing, whether it be single-use plastic, whether it be kind of more high-value plastic. And they're interested in trying to understand their position in their supply chain and how they can make a difference and change the way that they use plastic. And so we've done some fantastic research with a range of different organisations considering either whether it's kind of plastic packaging or whether their products are manufactured from plastic and what types of plastic and whether that plastic is recyclable or whether it has structural integrity such that it can have many, many lives and it can be reused for many, many years. And I think that's one of the critical questions that we get asked on a regular basis. How can we make sense of the plastics that are in our control?
Circular&Co have been going it's our 21st year this year, and ever since I started the company, we've just solely focused on circularity before it even was a kind of a thing 21 years ago. I thought I want to set some pillars here, and one of them is going to be that we're trying to make any product we do out of recycled materials. So that was the sort of boundary, the first pillar of what we were trying to achieve. And I think since then, over 21 years, it's sort of evolved into more of a circular economy, circular design concept, but that's fundamentally how it all started. The way we work as a company, every time we try and design a product, we call it the 100-10-100 rule. So we're basically trying to make the product 100% recycled content. I think it's important to note that it's hard to achieve it. Our internal challenge when we're designing products, I think some of the barriers are around infrastructure. If you're true to your word and you want that product to be completely recyclable at the end of its life, that is a challenge because there's not the infrastructure there to do it. And we call it real world recycling because anyone can kind of claim a product can be recycled because just about everything can be with enough time and money and effort. But in reality, you have to design it to what is actually out there and what's likely to be out there in 10 years' time. We love working with the university and particularly the business school because there is this a realism from them that they need to involve and learn from industry and businesses, and we really respect that, and that's why we love working with them. There's that connection.
Another way we support Cornish and Isles of Scilly businesses is through one-to-one research projects. Usually we aim to tackle specific challenges the businesses may have or to help them develop understanding regarding new things still around circular economy and sustainability business models. Research we provide aim to propose a holistic approach to the circular economy. Therefore, we also consider the social, obviously the business and the environmental impact of any possible industrial practices.